Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. This vlog is past overdue. Obviously we are leaving out at this time because we are going to run some errands. Yeah, we know that these vlogs are past overdue. We have about 3 vlogs on this channel, which is a very poor of us. So I just want to say Happy New Year! Happy New Year guys. We have at least how much? 9 persons subscribe to the channel. Yeah, we understand, but that's how it is. We'll continue to grow, so just continue to share the vlogs, and you know, everything will work out for us. So how are you guys? What are the resolution for you guys this year? We have a lot of goals set, so you can just comment down below, and yeah, now we can chat a little bit. So you can say hello to the vlog.
Yeah, what's up, man? What's going on?
So
Look here. Look how much we call for help to swim out.
yes, yes,
What's that? Straighten out the house.
well, that's why I'm not gonna work today, cause I rain. Until I'm saying I ain't going nowhere in this rain. Oh my god, why out here so look so?
Oh, beg your pardon.
No, wait, this no, this no. That's wait, this I forget yourself. Guys, I just came down from my house, right? And you would not want to see the road. This morning we have heavy rains, very heavy. I don't want to see the road. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is like. Let me give you guys a better view. Like. Guys, what is this? The road like dig up back again. Like, look at this. This never looked like this yesterday when me come from work, and all of a sudden it looked like this morning. Look here, master. The road like tear up, like it lift up, and everything washed down. See that, guys? Everything washed down here, so this side of this part of the road will like wash right off. But anyways, we're heading into a taxi, and we'll talk to you guys when we reach. Lady stand out representing for Gordonz Records. Cool. Yes. So we are in Discovery Bay because that's where we live. So we're walking in the town. There's nothing much to be done today. As I said, we're just going to run a few errands, just a little errand really. We're just going to the supermarket to get something, as I want to go home and cook. So, yeah. Your camera shy today? Guys, no, seriously, the rain just fell last night to this morning, and it tore the road in pieces. Like, we washed away Walla Road, like literally washed away Walla Road. And there was a bridge up before that was broken down, and it's like the bridge is like it's open up back. That's what they said. I'm not quite sure. I'm gonna see if it myself. so you can't see me and know, cause boy, this lighting is very poor. You want what? If you're national distance, go lamp here. I wanted a pack of salt. Pass me out of salt. Oh, see here. Right here, somebody getting. Oh. And this one, this one.
Jamaican salt.
But I see some like.
Oh.
This one here, which is better for you.
Yeah.
Sea salt, guys, which is way better for you.
Expensive, eh?
I don't know.
Can I buy one pack?
I don't even know. Because I don't need no more salt. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? Flood the pot of salt? I eat pure salt. What else you can eat?
You like veggie chunks?
No, boy, I don't want it.
You like it?
No.
Mommy.
I don't want veggie, anything with veggie, boy.
Veggie?
But I don't like how it sound.
Why?
I don't like how it look.
You need vegetable?
But I don't like it. I don't like it so nice. I don't like it. Tastes like the so nice. It tastes like I've ever tasted it before. Cornstarch, baking soda. You don't want nothing else? What do you mean? Oh, you want to go for this? Alright, so we decided that we're going to get some food to eat. So we're going to Juicy Patty. Juicy Patty just right over here. So I love Juicy Patty, cheese patty. What you like? What you like over here? I mean, like the chicken sandwich. They have chicken sandwich where like they bomb.com. Like
vegetable.
You like vegetable patty? Oh. Maybe like color or whatever, but not really fancy. Not really fancy to all of that.
What you want?
Wait, give me 10. I know me salt you have a juggle.
Yeah. A salt, you can't do nothing.
No. Don't put me food by your food.
You have the salt.
Wow, in here no stuff. In here very empty. I'm glad for that. Because normally in here. So in here kinda empty. What you order? The menu. They have chicken something over here, so 1 piece, 4 piece, 4 piece of what? 900. Wait, I think chicken like
The price same thing on the price. How much is
the sandwich? 380. 380. Like that. You want fries? Hello. Good day. May I have 2 chicken sandwiches and may I have 2 chicken sandwiches, 2 cran water, and you sell fries as a side? Or and it's sandwich done to order too, not sure. Sandwich. But the same time, right? Yeah, so just give me at the same time. The small one. 2, yes. How much? Yes.
off your head.
So yes guys, when we get our meal, we'll get back to you when we start to grub. Somebody bakes because we have to wait for the food. We have to wait about 8 minutes or so because what we ordered was done to order. Not true? You bakes?
Yeah, I'm feeling like wait for food. I'm like wait for nobody, no money, no wife, no picnic, nothing.
It's true, you know, like wait for me for nothing, but you have to wait. What can you do?
Next time,
What can you do?
go up again. Next time, just buy what already. On simple cheese patty or vegetable patty.
Alright. Same miserable. But
I like wait. They have them prepare around this up, put on.
when they do chicken to order, like when they chicken to order so that it gets hot.
People are eyeglasses, people are not time to stand with none fast food and stuff. People have work for going, you picnic for pig for car, you goat, all type of things.
You're too savage, you can't manage you.
But when I go through drive-thru, so if I drive-thru, so if I drive-thru, I go through. They say that for 8 feet, me.
Yeah.
Part of me say traffic run at the black there. Feel it, go and sit sorry.
Apparently. I want 100 pounds of petrol?
Yes.
So we just got our chicken sandwich. How does that look so zooming? Chicken sandwich and rice. And rice. Kind of water. But we got the same. So we're going to grab on this now and see. Lady Chandal representing for Rocky Martin's Records. So the fries is salt. What?
And you just buy one pack of salt?
No man, they put too much salt on it though. I didn't put too much.
Really?
Like, real. So we're gonna leave now. So the battery got dead, so when we reach home we'll get back to you guys. Alright, yes guys, so we're back home. And yeah, basically that's it for the vlog. Really, because we really actually don't have anything else to do for the day. I'm going to edit this video. I'm going to probably cook something if we feel for it. Yeah, that's just it for the vlog. If you guys like this vlog, you can give this vlog a thumbs up. You can always subscribe if you're not subscribed. What are you waiting for if you're not subscribed? We're not waiting for really and truly. It's free to subscribe, you know. You know that? It's very free to subscribe, so just subscribe and, you know, continue to show us some love, and we'll continue to make good vlog content for you guys. It's a new year. We have new things in store, so these vlogs will be coming very much more regular than they used to, because boy did we fail last year. We failed, we attempted and we failed badly. But this year is a new year and we have new goals, especially for this channel. So if you have not subscribed, then please subscribe. And yeah, basically that's it. And yeah, we'll see you in our next vlog. Bye. Tell them bye.
Goodbye.
Bye guys.